Dear students, welcome to the video class of the coordinate geometry in space, that is 3-dimensional coordinate geometry. Before that, we should refresh our mind. So let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the direction cosines, directions ratios and relation between directions cosines and direction ratios, some properties and applications of the direction ratios and direction cosines. Okay. So today we are going to discuss what is the angle between two lines, what is the projection of the point upon another line or plane, what is the projection of line segment upon another line, and some problems. Let's discuss what is angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. If L1, M1, N1 are DCS and L2, M2, N2 are DCS of two lines, are DCS of two lines, let theta be the angle between them. Let theta be the angle between them. Then theta is equal to, and theta is equal. Let theta be the angle, then the angle between two lines, the angle between two lines is theta is equal to cos inverse L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. This is what? N1 N2. Okay. Or cos theta equal to, we can write cos theta is the angle between two lines is obtained using cos theta is equal to what? Is obtained using cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, or theta is equal to cos inverse what? L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. This is angle between two lines in cosine form. This is angle between two lines in cosine form. In case of sine, then it is what? This is cosine form. Angle between, this is called cosine form. Angle between two lines in cosine form. Cosine form. This is angle between two lines in cosine form. In cosine form. Okay. In cosine form. Correct. Then what is now? What is sine form? The sine form of the angle between two lines is what? In terms of sine theta, in sine form, angle between two lines, that is sine theta is equal to square root of M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square. This is formula. This is a formula also. So N1 L2 minus N2 N1 whole square plus L1 M2 minus L2 M1 whole square. This is sine form, or theta is equal to sine inverse this. Theta is equal to sine inverse square root of M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square plus N1 L2 minus N2 N1 whole square plus L1 M2 minus L2 M1 whole square. This is what? This is in terms of sine. Okay. Now how to prove the angle between what? Two lines. Now prove angle between two lines. Suppose a line here and another line here. Suppose this is what? Direction cosine L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2, direction cosines. Okay, this is suppose line 1 and this is line 1 and this is line 2. जगह भला वेक्टर मेथड रे करबा प्रूफ. Given DCS of line L1 are L1 M1 N1. So the unit vector along, suppose this is O and this is A and this is what? B. Let unit vector along way. Let unit vector along way is suppose A vector, A cap. So A cap is equal to what? Unit vector रो जो डायरेक्शन क्वेश्चन देखो हमको वेक्टर को दिला. यूनिट वेक्टर रो जो कोएफिशिएंट अच्छा I J K रो कोएफिशिएंट सब जगह यूनिट वेक्टर रो कौन डायरेक्शन कोसाइन. ये डॉट नोट रे अच्छी जदि यूनिट वेक्टर हेतिबो I J K रो कोएफिशिएंट सब DCS हे परिबो. सो दिस इज L1 I cap plus L2 J cap plus L3 M1 J cap plus N1 K cap. And let similarly given DCS of line to L2 are L2 M2 N2. Let unit vector along OB vector is suppose B cap is equal to what? L2 I cap M2 J cap N2 K cap. We know angle between, so let theta be the angle between, A cap and B cap. Now cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to what? A dot B, A cap dot B cap divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So cos theta is equal to A dot B कितना से A dot B L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 divided by what? Square root of magnitude of A cap. Magnitude of A cap means what? L1 square plus M1 square plus N1 square root over, and this is what? L2 square plus M2 square plus N2 square. So sum of the squares of the DCS is equal to 1. So this is equal to cos theta is equal to L1 L2 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 divided by this is 1 and this is also 1. So theta is equal to, this is 1 into 1 into 1. So theta is equal to cos inverse L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. This is the formula for finding the angle between two lines. Okay, this is formula for finding the angle between two lines. Now, a condition for parallel, condition for perpendicular. In case of, this is the angle between two lines using what? DCS. In case of DRS, what is the angle between two lines? In case of DRS, what is the angle between two lines? In case of DRS, in case of direction ratios, let's A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2 are DRS of two lines, then angle between them is obtained by, then the angle between them is obtained by using the formula cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into square root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is the formula to find angle between two lines if direction ratios are given. So theta is equal to cos inverse A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by what? A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square root over into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay, this is the formula of angle between two lines when DRS are given. Now, if condition for parallel. Now, what is condition for parallel? If theta is equal to 0, then two lines are parallel. Condition for parallel. Condition for parallel of two lines. Condition for parallel of two lines. Okay. So this is what condition for parallel of two lines. If L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 are DCS of two lines, if L1 by L2 is equal to M1 by M2, if L1 is equal to L2, M1 is equal to M2, N1 is equal to N2, then two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. This is condition for parallelism. This is in case of what? In case of DCS. So in case of what is? In case of DRS, let's A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are DRS of two lines. DRS of two lines, DRS of two lines, then DRS of two lines, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then two lines are parallel. Then two lines are parallel. Two lines are parallel. Okay, two lines are parallel. Condition for perpendicular. Condition for perpendicular. Okay, two lines are collinear if DRS are proportional. This is also collinear. Okay, two lines are collinear. This is also what? Collinear. If note the points are collinear. 3 points are collinear. Note A, B, C are collinear. If DRS of AB is proportional to DRS of what? DRS of BC. DRS of AB is proportional to DRS of what? DRS of BC. This is condition for collinear of 3 points. Okay. Now condition for perpendicular. 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 Condition for perpendiculars. Let L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 are DCS of two lines. If L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0, that is dot product is 0 here, then two lines are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. In case of DRS, this is DCS. In case of DRS, if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0, then two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now some questions related to this concept. Find the acute angle between two lines joining the points -3, -1, 0, 2, -3, 1 and 1, 2, 3, -1, 4, -2. So, solution: let A of -3, -1, 0 and B of 2, -3, 1 are the points of line 1 of line L1, and C of 1, 2, 3 and D of -1, 4, -2 are the points of line L2. Now DRS of L1, DRS of line L1 is equal to what? x2 minus x1, 2 minus of minus 3, 2 plus 3, minus 3 plus 1, 1 minus 0. So this is equal to what? 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 1 DRS. DRS of line 2, DRS of line 2 is equal to what? Minus 1 minus 1, comma 4 minus 2, comma minus 2 minus 3. So this is equal to what? This is equal to minus 2 and 2 minus 5. Okay, this 5 minus 2 1, minus 2 2 minus 5. This is suppose A1 B1 C1. This is suppose A2 B2 C2. Okay, now angle between them, between L1 and L2 is theta is equal to cos inverse A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Apply values of A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. So theta is equal to cos inverse A1 A2 5 into minus 2 minus 2 into 2 1 into what? Minus 5 divide by root over 5 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square into square root of minus 2 square plus 2 square plus minus 5 square and calculating this theta is equal to cos inverse minus 10 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, minus 10 minus 4 minus 5 divided by 25 plus 4 plus 1 root over and root over what? Root over 4 plus 4 plus 25. Now theta is equal to what? Now theta is equal to, that is equal to cos inverse minus what? Minus 19 divided by root over what? This is 25, this is 4, this is 1, 4, 4, 25. So root over what? Root over, this is 30, root 30 into, this is what? Into 32, 33 into root over 33. For acute angle this is positive, for acute angle this should be positive. For acute angle it is what? For acute angle theta is equal to, take mode, this is mode, cos inverse mode of minus 19 by root over 30 root over 33. So theta is equal to what? Cos inverse 19 by root over 30 into root over 33. This is the angle between two lines. Okay. Now Another question. Show that the points are collinear. Okay. Given solution, given points 3 minus 2 4, this is A of, and this is B of what, 1 1 1, and this is C of minus 1 4 minus 2. Now DRS of AB is equal to 1 minus 3 2, 1 minus 2, that is plus 2 3, and 4 minus what, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2, this is minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus minus 2 plus 2, so 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. Now DRS of BC is equal to what, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 4 minus 1 3, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So DRS of AB is equal to DRS of what, BC. So it is proportional. Therefore A, B, C are collinear. Equal to means proportional. Okay. So now another question. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 1 1 1 joining the points what, 1 4 6 and 5 4 4. So solution, this is point P, suppose 1 1 1, and this is line segment, this is what, 1 4 6, and this is B point here, that is 5 4 4. Okay, and this is foot of the perpendicular, suppose Q. Suppose foot of the perpendicular is Q. Let Q be the foot of the perpendicular of the point P. Let Q divides AB in the ratio k:1. Let Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio suppose k:1. Then coordinate, or you can write m:1, you can write. Okay, that the coordinates of the point Q is what, this part is M and this part is N. So 5m plus n divided by m plus n, comma 4m plus 4n divided by m plus n, 4m plus 6n divided by m plus n. Now DRS of PQ. What is DRS of PQ? DRS of PQ, that is 5m plus n divided by 5m plus n divided by m plus n minus 1, and this is what, 4m plus 4n divided by m plus n minus 1, 4m plus 6n divided by m plus n minus 1. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 5m plus n minus m minus n divided by m plus n, 4m plus 4n minus m minus n divided by m plus n, 4m plus 6n, 4n plus 6n minus m minus n divided by m plus n, divided by what? M plus n. So this is what? This is 5m minus m, that is 4n, n cancel, this is 4m by what? M plus n, comma, this is 3m plus 3n, 3m plus 3n divided by m plus n. Okay, 4m, that is 3m, and this is for 3n, m plus n, and this is what? This is 4m minus m, 3m, and this is what? 3n, this is what? Minus plus 5n by m plus n. So take m plus n common, that is DRS of PQ is equal to what? 4m, 3m plus 3n, and this is what? 3m plus 5n. Now DRS of what? AB. DRS of AB is equal to 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 4, 0, 4 minus 6, minus 2. Since AB PQ perpendicular to, since PQ perpendicular to AB, now apply condition for perpendicular. By condition for perpendicular, that is A1 A2, 4 in m into 4, 3m plus 3n into 0, 3m plus 5n into what? Minus 2 is equal to 0, that is equal to 16m, this is equal to 0, and this is what? Minus 6m, and this is minus 10n is equal to 0. So that is what? 10m minus 10n is equal to 0, that is what? 10m is equal to 10n. So m is equal to n. So ratio is equal to what? 1:1. M equal to n. So ratio is equal to what? Ratio is equal to, so this is midpoint, M equal to n, therefore Q is the midpoint, or ratio is equal to what? 1:1. Ratio is equal to what? 1:1. That is M equal to 1, n is equal to 1. M by n is equal to what? 1:1. Ratio is 1:1. Now coordinates of Q is equal to what? Now coordinates of Q is equal to, therefore coordinate of Q, therefore coordinate of Q is equal to what? Put M equal to 1, n equal to 1. Therefore coordinates of Q, that is put, is equal to what? 5 into 1, 5 plus 1 by 2, and this is 4 plus 4 divided by 2, and this is 4 plus 6 divided by 2. So the coordinates is what? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. This is coordinates of the point Q. Okay, this is the answer. Now another question for homework. This is homework. Find the coordinates of the point where the perpendicular from origin meets the line joining -9, 4, 5 and 11 0 minus 1. Okay, this is homework for you. Now projection, what do you mean by projection of a point upon line or plane? Projection of a point. Projection of a point on a line or plane. Projection of a line on a point, position of a line on a line or plane. Okay, suppose this is the point P and this is the line L. Then what is the projection of the line, projection of the point? So projection of a point, projection of a point, projection of a point, projection of a point on or upon a line or plane, a line or plane is the foot of the perpendicular, foot of the perpendicular, foot of the perpendicular drawn from that point upon that point to or upon that line, upon a line or plane. In the figure, suppose this is line and this is the point, this is the foot of the perpendicular, this is perpendicular. In figure, the projection of the point P is Q. In figure, here the projection of, here the projection of the point P, the point P upon, this is a line L, is the point Q. Okay. Now what is the projection of the line segment? We'll discuss. Before that, what is projection of the point x, y, z on x-axis? Let's discuss projection of the point on the coordinate axis. Okay. Projection of the point, projection of the point, suppose P of x, y, z on number 1 bit x-axis is equal to what? Is on x-axis y and z are 0, so x 0 0. Number 2, on y-axis is what? On y-axis is what? This is equal to 0 y 0. On z-axis, this is 0 0 z. Okay. Similarly, these are the coordinate axes. On xy plane, that is x comma y comma 0. On yz plane, that is what? 0 y z. On xz plane, that is what? X 0 z. This is the projection of the point x, y, z on coordinate axis. These are coordinate axis. These are coordinate axis, and these are coordinate axis, and these are what? Coordinate planes. Now we'll discuss the projection of the line segment upon another line. Okay. Projection of line segment upon another line. Projection of projection of a line segment upon another line. What is actually meaning of projection of line segment upon another line? Suppose this is line segment, say A, B, this is the endpoints, and this is the line L, this is the straight line L. Okay. Now what do you mean by projection of the line segment AB? Draw perpendicular here, also draw perpendicular here. Suppose P and this is Q. Okay, so this distance PQ distance, this distance is called projection of AB is equal to what? PQ distance. So what is definition of the projection of line segment? Means projection of line segment upon another line means the length of the feet of the perpendicular projection of a line segment upon another line is the length of feet of perpendiculars drawn from endpoints of the line segment, endpoints of line segment. Okay, so in figure this is projection of AB is equal to what? Projection of AB equal to length of PQ. Okay, now from this figure we can conclude that, suppose draw here, clear, definition is this: projection of line segment upon another line is the length of feet of the perpendicular drawn from the endpoints of the line segment on the line, upon the line. This is definition of the projection formula. Projection of line segment upon another line. Now what is the mathematical expression of the projection of the line segment upon this line? Okay, this is suppose the line AB and this is straight line L. Okay, this is straight line L and this is A and this is B, two endpoints. Draw the perpendiculars here. Suppose this is PQ. Okay, now extend this line segment, this is the straight line, extend the line segment here, okay, line segment here. Suppose this is theta, draw the perpendicular here on the line BQ, this is also theta. Okay, this is also theta. Suppose this is M point, projection of line segment by definition PQ. Okay, so PQ is equal to here, let theta be the angle between the line segment AB and the line L. From figure angle BAM also theta, that is angle BAM also theta. In triangle ABM cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to what? B by H, that is AM by FB. So AM is equal to what? AM here AM is equal to, here AM is equal to what? PQ distance. Here AM is equal to what? PQ distance. So AM distance is equal to what? Distance of AB into cos theta. Okay. So distance of AB into cos theta. AM means what? PQ. So PQ is equal to FB cos theta. FB cos theta. What is PQ? PQ means what? This is projection of AB. Projection of AB is equal to distance of AB into cos theta. This is mathematical expression of the projection formula. Okay. Now projection of the line segment upon the coordinate axis. Let's discuss projection of line segment upon the coordinate axis. Projection of line segments. Projection of line segment upon coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. Okay. Suppose this is 3-dimension system and this is origin and this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Z-axis is like this. So line here, this is A of x1, y1, z1. Okay, suppose line is like this. This is A of what? A of x1, y1, z1, this point, and this point is B of what? x2, y2, z2. Now projection of line segment on x-axis. On x-axis means draw perpendicular here. This is suppose P, and draw perpendicular here. Suppose this is Q. Okay. Now projection of AP. This distance is equal to what? X1, and total distance is equal to what? X2. Now this distance of PQ is equal to x2 minus x1. So projection of the line segment from the projection of the projection, this is the heading, projection of the line segment joining the points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 bit 1 on x-axis is equal to what? Distance of x mode of x2 minus 1. Similarly, on y-axis is equal to y2 minus y1 mode. On z-axis is equal to z2 minus z1 mode. This is the projection of the line segment joining 2 points upon the coordinate axis. Now one theorem. What is projection? Now projection formula. Okay. So projection formula. Let us discuss about the projection formula. One formula. Projection formula. Projection formula. The projection of line segment whose endpoints are given. This is suppose A of x1, y1, z1, and this is what? Suppose B of x2, y2 and z2. This is the line. Suppose this is the straight line whose 2 endpoints are given. Whose 2 endpoints, suppose whose DCS are given. This is 2 endpoints. DCS are L, M, N. Okay, then what is the projection? This is suppose point what P, and this is the point Q. Okay, now this line is extended here and extend here, that is if theta is the angle between the line segment and line, draw the perpendicular here. This is suppose M, this also is theta. Okay, this also theta. Now projection of the projection of a line segments upon another line whose DCS are whose DCS are whose DCS are whose DCS are LMN. Okay, is given by L into x2 minus x1 mod of, that is M into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. This is the formula for projection. This is the formula for projection of the line upon another line. Now prove from the figure, what is DRS of FB is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So this is suppose A and this is B and this is what? This is B and this is C. Now DCS element, DCS are what? DCS are x2 minus x1 divided by a square plus b square plus c square, that is what? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, and that is y2 minus y1, same concept here, square root of, this is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Similarly, z minus z2 minus z1 by same concept, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. These are the DCS of AB. Okay, DCS of AB. Now this can be written as, that is equal to, that implies DCS of AB is equal to what? X2 minus x1 by, this is distance of AB, comma y2 minus y1 divided by distance of AB, comma z2 minus z1 by distance of AB. These are the DCS. Now let theta be the angle between the line L and, this is suppose line L, let theta be the angle between the line FB, line segment, angle between the line segment FB and the line L. Now cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to L1 L2. The DCS of the line are what? LMN. So L into x2 minus x1 plus m into, divided by distance of AB, m into y2 minus y1 divided by AB distance plus n into z2 minus z1 divided by AB distance. So AB distance is common here. Now this is what? Now this is equal to now here this is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to LCM here what? AB distance. So this is what? L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. Now AB distance is equal to what? That is magnitude of AB cos theta is equal to what? Since it is the distance, so mode of what? Mode of L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. The mode is due to the distance. Distance cannot be negative, so take mode. Now, what is AB cos theta? What is AB cos theta? AB cos theta is what? What is AB cos theta? This is projection of AB. Projection of AB is equal to what? Mode of L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. This is the distance, so take positive. This is the projection formula proved. Now, question related to projection. Some questions related to projection. Before applying the projection formula, we should know the endpoints of two line segment and the DCS of the line segment on which the projections are drawn. तामाने कौन ना projection of line segment बाहर करियो थिले line segment रे end point देथिबा दरकार आउ जा ऊपर projection करिवो तारो DCS दरकार DRS नहीं DCS दरकार. So एठी अछि solution, that is solution ये हला A 632 and this is B. B is what? B point is 357. End points given and the line is here. This is the point C and this is the point D. This is the point D, suppose. Anywhere C may be here, D may be here. So this point is what? 2, 3, minus 1 and 3, 5, minus 3. जा ऊपर projection करिबा तारो DCS दरकार. तो DCS of CD दरकार. Okay. Now endpoints of line segment AB are what? 632 and 357. This is what? X1, Y1, Z1 and this is X2, Y2, Z2. Okay. Now, what is DRS of CD? DRS of CD, that is x2 minus 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 3, 2, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. This is a DRS. DCS of CD, what? 1 by root over 1 plus 4 plus 4, 2 by root over 1 plus 4 plus 4, minus 2 by root over what? 1 plus 4 plus 4. So this is LMN. So 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. This is LMN. Now the projection formula. Therefore projection of AB on CD, line CD is equal to what? L into mode of, this is L and this is M, right clearly here. This is by 3 and this is by 3. So this is what? L. This is L here and this is what? M. and this is what? N. So L into x2 minus x1 plus M into y2 minus y1 plus N into z2 minus z1 mode. L means what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into what? 1 by 3 mode of 1 by 3 x2 minus x1 3 minus 6 3 minus 6 plus 2 by 3 into 5 minus 3 5 minus 3 plus n means what? Minus 2 by 3 into 7 minus 2 7 minus 2 mode. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 3 1 by mode of 1 by 3, this is minus 3 and this is 2 by 3, this is what? 2 and this is minus 2 by 3, this is also what? 5 into 5 mode, that is minus 3 by 3, 4 by 3, that is equal to what? Minus 3 by 3, minus 3 by 3 and this is plus 4 by 3 and this is minus 10 by 3 mode. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 3 LCM. So 3 minus 13 plus 4 minus 13 plus 4, that is minus 9 by 3. So this is mode of minus 3 since it is projection. So projection is what? 3. Projection is what? 3. 3 is the answer. Okay. Now the question is projection of the line segment OP through origin on the coordinate axes are 6, 2, 3. Find the length of the line segment OP and its direction cosines. Okay. So this is the 3-dimensional system. Okay, this is solution. The projection of the line segment, suppose the point is P here, this is Z axis, point is in space. So projection of the line segment on x axis, this is x axis, this is y axis and this is Z axis. So projection of the point P on x axis, that is what? 6, 0, 0 and this is OP, this is OP, this is OP and from y axis, this is y axis, this point is what? This point is 0 to 0 and on Z axis, this point is here on Z axis is equal to what? On Z axis is what? What? That is 0, 0, 3. So the point P is what? So the point is obviously what? 6 to 3. 6 to 3. Okay. So projection of the line segment upon x axis was, this is the point 0, 0, 0. Okay. So projection of the line given point, given projection of OP on x axis is what? On x axis 6, that is what? That is mode of x2 minus x1 is equal to what? 6. Similarly, projection of OP on y axis is equal to what? 2. That is implies y2 minus y1 is equal to 2. Projection of OP on z axis, that is what? z2 minus z1 by formula here, this is equal to what? 3. Now obviously the point P is what? That is the point P is, that implies the point the point P is equal to what? 6, 2, 3. Now OP distance is equal to what? Square root of 6 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is 36 plus 4 plus 9 square root, that is root over what? 49 is equal to 7. So this is the length of the, now DCS of the line OP. Now DCS line OP, DCS of the line OP, that is equal to projection by, that is 6 by OP distance, comma 2 by OP distance, comma 3 by OP distance. Okay, OP distance 6 by OP distance, comma 2 by OP distance, comma 3 by OP distance. So this is equal to 6 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. This is the DCS of the line segment OP. Similarly, another question here. The projection of line segment on x-axis is what? 12, y-axis is 4 and z-axis is 3. Find the length and direction quotients of the line segment. Okay. So solution, given projection of line segment on x-axis is what? Given 12, that is implies mode of x2 minus x1 is equal to 12. Projection of the line segment on y-axis is what? 4. That is implies mode of y2 minus y1 is equal to 4. Projection of the line segment on z-axis is equal to what? 3. That implies what? That implies mode of z2 minus z1 is equal to 3. Now distance of length of line segment. Suppose the line segment length of the line segment is equal to what? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. That is what? That is 144, 12 square plus 4 square plus what? 3 square. The 144 plus what? 16 plus 9. That is equal to 169. This is what? 50 and this is 60, 169. 169 means what? 3. This is the length of. So DCS is equal to what? DCS what? X projection of x, 12 by length what? Length is 13. Projection by distance is equal to DCS. So 12 by 13. Then what is projection? 4 by 13. And this is what? 3 by 13. This is the DCS, direction quotient of the line. Now these are the concepts regarding the projection of the line segment, and some problems are solved. In next video we will discuss the problems of textbook and very, very important questions of the council examination 2021. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.